Hello everybody and welcome back to Leg Up Ability and welcome back to another edition of a forest walk and talk. I am currently walking in my local forest and just after a major storm last night, and there's a lot of down foliage, so you can see get pretty much up there again last night in this storm last night. So yeah, very good. Well, let's get over that. Now what do I want to talk about today? I want to talk to you guys about something very specific and something that is very hard to do, and I've only managed to achieve some of it in the last, I'd say, last few years of my life. And that is basically letting go of past traumas and childhood issues that could weigh you down. I know I had issues that was affecting my mental health and the people around me because I was holding on to it. It's not good, it's not healthy for you, it's not healthy, it wasn't healthy for me, it wasn't healthy for my friends and family. It created, if I'm telling the truth, it created animosity amongst a lot of my family and friends. And it was down to me not letting go of something. And it is so important that we do manage to let go of things in life, because there's certain things we can't change. There's certain things that happened that just happened for no good reason, and there's certain things that you would think you would react or someone would react differently, but life is a little bit more complicated than that. Yeah, no, there's certain things in life that happen, and it's not a nice thing, but we can't hold on to it. And for me, I held on to just stop it for years and years and years. As I say, it affected my family life because I was upset about things, and I got irritated. I got angry about certain things because I didn't let go of it and forgive the person. That's not to say, that's not the same thing as saying letting someone disrespect you or abuse you or let people get away with things. No, I'm not saying that. You shouldn't let people get away with things if they did something to you. No, and you shouldn't stand for it. But at the same time, if it's not serving you any good, but if standing up for yourself or getting angry about something that another person did, if it's not serving you anything, if it's not helping you, then there's no point holding on to it. You need to let it go and forgive the person. Because I can tell you, it holds you back. It doesn't allow you to develop. Because you're always holding it back onto something in the past, and it means that you can't truly move forward. No, I think I'm getting my point about that. It is important to let yourself move forward, and the only way you can do that is by letting go of the past and forgiving whatever happened in the past. You know, what happened, you can't change it. All you can do is change your response to it. And if you find yourself getting angry, like I did, I always got angry about it. Every time it would mention something, every time a related topic was brought up, if you find yourself getting emotional about it, then you need to look at yourself and see, okay, how is it serving me? I'm getting angry when someone brings up a related topic about it. But again, it's not serving you any good. And the only way you can move forward is by letting go. And as I say, I only managed this ability in the last, say, about 3 years maximum. Literally. I'm 42 this year. Oh, I'm getting old. And I only managed it in my late 30s. So, don't get me wrong, it's not an easy thing to do, but it's an important and essential thing to do. And loads of people and family told me to do it years and years ago. And I always thought, how could they think, how could they let go just like that? And I think I was thought if you manage to let go of things willy-nilly, it didn't really mean anything to you. And so therefore, how could you let go of it that easily? But yeah, as I grew, as I got older, I realized that just because I let go of the topic, it doesn't mean I don't feel passionate about the topic. It just means I have a different response to it, and a different response that is not taking up too much energy, and in one sense a different response that is creating a benefit, because I'm now talking about it and I'm hopefully offering advice to other people who are finding themselves in a similar situation. So that's a plus, it's a benefit. I still feel passionate about what happened, but I'm just changing my response to it so it doesn't own me. Because prior to 3 years ago, the event and how I reacted to it owned me. It controlled me. I was not in control of how I reacted to it. The event was. And that's not a good thing. Anyway, I really hope you benefit from this topic and this video, and please, when you can, please let go of the past. Doesn't mean you forget about it or you're not passionate about it, but it just means you take back power and control. Don't let the past event control you. Okay? Mind yourself, and if you can, take a walk into your local forest. You know, you may see what I'm talking about. you will see sights like this, like that. That's pretty. And yes, you know, that's very pretty. So yeah, I hope everyone is minding themselves, and please take care. Thank you. Bye.